Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. Today is April 9th, and what I wanted to do is talk about this program that I've been in since September of 2017. I'm earning a full-time income utilizing the system, and for those who are not a friend of mine on Facebook, please send me a friend request so you can see the amazing results that I've been experiencing with this program. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two. I've been online since 2015. I'm struggling, and I finally had my financial breakthrough in the end of 2016, utilizing a done-for-you funnel that's allowed me to pretty much learn how to earn and generate traffic and commissions on a consistent basis. And what I'm doing is showing people how to do the same. So I'm going to take you into my back office of the system, and people have probably heard about the system in the past. It's called the Power Lead system. I was a part of the Power Lead system in 2015. I didn't earn hardly any money. I was definitely putting out more money than what I was making. And I took another look at it the end of 2017, and I've been able to generate a full-time income using this system since the end of 2017. So of course I'm going to show you proof of payment, how I've been doing with the system, just running cold traffic to this done-for-you funnel and showing others how to do the same. So if you're interested, in getting more information about the program, there will be a link in the description. You can also send me a message on Facebook, and I'll be more than glad to help you to get started. So this is the Power Lead system, and I currently have $7,987 in my account that I've earned over the past 4 weeks. We do get paid weekly. Every single Wednesday, they will send you the money direct deposit, or you can get this money on a debit card. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually here live go ahead and put these funds directly into my bank account. So after that, I'm going to just show you a little bit about the system and how it works, and then also invite you to join our Freedom Takers group through Facebook, where we have all of the training that you need in order to be successful with the system. So here, what you do is, as soon as you actually go ahead and set up your e-wallet, you would just be able to go in and actually get your commissions on a weekly basis that's sent to you pretty much every single Wednesday. Nonstop, every week Wednesday you will get paid through this program. So I'm going to click here on transfer funds, and then these funds are going to be transferred directly into my bank account. So $7,986.65 is going to be transferred over. I'm going to just hit continue, confirm, and I'm all set to go. So within 1 to 3 business days, this money is going to go directly into my bank account. Here is more information about the Power Lead system. What we do is we set up a done-for-you funnel, and what you want to do is turn as many of these buttons green. When you first sign up, they're going to be red. This one is probably going to be the only one that's green, which is the gold affiliate link. To actually get you started, you would add a picture, add your domain, which is $12.99 for the year. At the diamond level, it's a one-time payment of $147. At the platinum level, it's a one-time payment of $497. The diamond level is going to allow you to get $100 commissions, unlimited. And the platinum level is going to allow you to get $400 of commissions, unlimited. Okay. I'm going into my account under commissions earned. It'll give you an idea of how much I've been earning over the every single week, because you can track that information here in your back office. Just this week alone, I'm at $14.96. The pay week ends every single Saturday evening, and it starts over on Sundays. So far for this week, and today is Thursday, this is Thursday evening, I've bought in $14.96. The week before that, I bought in a total of $2,920. The week before that, $1,512. And as you can see, being at the highest level, it allows you to bring in platinum commissions, which really significantly changes your the amount of commissions that you can make, you know, just being at the highest level. So 2,000 in platinum for last week, $400 for the diamond level, and $520 in residual commissions at the gold level. And yes, you do get these gold commissions monthly, okay, for the people that get involved in the program. So I just wanted to tell people, you know, if you looked at the system before, it didn't work, please take another look at it. We do have it set up where you can get your funnel done for you for $50. We have an active Facebook group that has the training necessary to run free and paid traffic so that you can experience success with this program, okay? Again, I've been in since September of 2017. I started running traffic the end of September going into October, and the commissions have been very consistent since I've gotten started. So if you want more information, please click on the description below, and also please subscribe to my channel so you can follow my results. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. And again, I am available if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching my video, and have a great night.